What is check truncation system, which is also known as image based clearing system? Meaning of the word truncate is to cut short. What is cut short in check truncation system? That we will see now with an example. One Mr. A at Kolkata issues a check to one Mr. B at Kanyakumari. Mr. B deposits that check with his bank at Kanyakumari. His bank sends that check by Thabal from Kanyakumari to Kolkata. Now, in view of the travel of physical check from Kanyakumari to Kolkata, there is inordinate delay in the process of the check, payment of the check, and also crediting of the customer's account. Hence, to avoid this, Reserve Bank of India wanted to use technology. In the year 2008, Reserve Bank of India conducted a meeting to discuss about check truncation system at Goa before implementation of check truncation system. I am happy to inform that I was one among the participants of that meeting from State Bank of India. Salient feature of check truncation system is that the physical check need not travel for the entire distance. Instead, the physical check will travel only up to some point, and after that only the image of the check will be transmitted electronically to the paying bank. Truncation of movement of physical check at one point and transmission of electronic image from that point helps reducing the delay in payment of check substantially. Thus, the delay in crediting the customer's account is totally avoided after implementation of check truncation system. In the case of movement of physical check from Kanyakumari to Kolkata, after implementation of check truncation system, movement of physical check is truncated at some point and only the image of the check is transmitted to the paying bank. Thus, the delay in the case of travel of the instrument, the check, physical check from Kanyakumari is totally reduced. From Kanyakumari to Kolkata is totally reduced, and it further helps in crediting the customer's account without any delay. Now we will see what is check truncation. It is the process of stopping the flow of check at one point, at some point, by the presenting bank en route to the paying bank. It is called check truncation system. If you like this video, kindly like, comment and share, and also kindly subscribe our channel. To receive more such videos in future, kindly press the notification bell symbol. Thanks for watching. Thanks.